What is going on, guys? It's me again, Manny at Manny Mod's Garage. And so today I have the video. Finally, we have a video started. It's been a really long time. It's all my wife's fault. But here we are. Oh wait, that's to blur that out. But anyways, we are wrapping a Tesla, a Model 3. I don't know the year. I don't know much about these, but they're no different than like a microwave or a washing machine. It's probably built by Whirlpool. But I can tell you that I am proud this is American made. By the way, huge shout out to Revive Vinyl. They are my official sponsor for my wrap. So anytime I get a wrap, they're going to be the ones supplying the wrap. That is really cool. Yeah, I like it. Anyways, we're going to get to it. Never mind. We're gonna divert from that plan. We got the wrong wrap. We're supposed to have like a greenish gold tint. Instead, we got like a bluish gold tint, which we really like the color. So we're gonna change up and divert the whole plan. We're gonna wrap the Durango. We're not gonna show you the whole full wrap video. We might show you a couple time lapses of us, wrapping this. We're not a huge fan of this color. We're really not. It doesn't really match our vibe and our theme. We might do a little flip-flop action. We might wrap the Hellcat Challenger a matte version of that color. So here's the color. Let's go show you. Here it is. Once again, it's gonna be on the Durango. It's gonna look really pretty. I can't wait. With that being said, goodbye fuchsia pink, whatever matte color this is with the stripes. Stay tuned again. Look, Letty, this is the color. This is the color, Letty. We're gonna change the Durango and the Challenger Hellcats
into a silver.
It's like a silver gold blue. Isn't that pretty?
You like it?
Like it better than the pink one?
That's just better.
Yeah?
Yay.
All right, cool. Yeah, I gotta get the heat gun. We're gonna be here for a while, and then we're gonna be wrapping stuff. We're probably gonna do the hood tonight, just because we're so excited. But look at that, guys. Look at that. That gold.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
I messed up.
It just happened. We opened the door and it went kunk, but it wasn't in the garage. It was actually the only day that I chose to take it for a ride.
Yeah.
So we're gonna de-wrap both vehicles.
De-wrap?
Yeah, right.
We're gonna
Unwrap both of them completely, and then we're gonna have fun with this because we were waiting for the other wrap. We're waiting for the other wrap to come. All right, here's the current situation right now. I got the front bumper off. It only took me about 5 minutes to take off the front bumper. It's been about 30 minutes. I took off all this wrap so far. So we're just gonna keep on taking off stuff. So when I do my wraps, I do it correctly. That means you gotta take the bumper off so that you can get behind certain areas, like in these pockets. It's gonna be pretty difficult to take that out, especially behind this. You can get away with it, but I like when I wrap my cars for it to be perfect. So if it's gonna be perfect, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to take everything off. So about to take the headlights off, then I'm gonna wrap the fenders, the hood, and then I'm gonna start the front bumper. Once I'm done with that, today's gonna be done with those pieces. That's all I'm gonna do today. Look at the pearl in it, y'all. So freaking cool. Oh man, I can't wait to be done with this thing already. Oh my goodness, it's like a whole new truck. Look at that pigmentation, it's so cool. Let's park this thing, let's get this thing done. Did both fenders, I just got to put the other badge on this side. Of course, we gotta take off some more wrap. And then do the front bumper today, do the hood today, and then button it all up. And then,
Who missed the dragon?
right? other side. We are so in love with this freaking wrap. This color is so cool. This whole side is done. Really haven't ran into any issues. I got cut short in a few little spots here and there, but I'm getting better. But I figured it out. I fixed it and there's no blemishes. There's a couple issues here and there, but whatever. Running short. But it is possible to wrap a Durango with 60 feet. As long as you don't do the roof. Be very wise with your material and how to use it, but we did it. The back bumper is about 10 feet long. Front bumper is about 10 feet long. From corner to corner is 10 feet by 30 inches. So you have like roughly another 30 something inches that you can mess with because it is a 5 foot tall roll. With that being said, the gate on the back, it doesn't require much and it's 4 feet, roughly 4 to 5 feet long. So you have plenty of extra wrap to use when you cut the bumper piece off. We're about to knock out the other side. I'm about to do a little time lapse so you can see it. So I'm going to show my wife how to make this into this. You know, have the pocket. You just, when you heat it up far away, not too close, like that. And then you want to kind of get like a feel for it. And then what I do is I'll pick a side. So if I'm going this way, I'm going to squeegee this way.
Okay.
You want to do it like a U.
Do I keep heating?
Yeah, heat it up like that and then start squeegeeing.
Do I heat the whole thing or do I heat one side?
Just do this, the pocket.
Okay.
And then now start from that side.
Start squeegeeing?
Yeah. With your thumb.
Okay, like this?
Yeah. So now it's pushing back, isn't it? Mm-hmm. You need more heat. So what I like to do is I like to keep it on, put a little bit and keep going in and out. So you don't want it to get gooey. So yeah, don't do this because that's not doing anything. You want it right there. You want to leave it in the position that's in. So go, start squeegeeing. And once you get the hang of it, it gets easier.
What do I do with that pocket?
You gotta push it in. You gotta squeegee it. Alright, now what you wanna do is you wanna heat it around here and then you're gonna squeegee around. See, like I already did it a little bit because it's warm. So heat this up and go around like in a circle and do that both sides. That you can get a little more abusive with. You can get a little closer. Heat it up a little closer so it has more stretch. Yeah. The hole, that's what you want. That's perfect. Now you're working the other side. Give it like a good warm, like heat up a good time with whatever I'm trying to say. I can't do my brain. You're gonna try to get a feel. You always want to work your way around and then in. Yeah. Now at this point, razor bladed up. So I usually cut the box out. I put a slice in the parts where the holes, the screws go in. I cut this little pocket out. I cut all this stuff out, and then that's pretty much it. That's how you do that. It's pretty simple.
Do I need to reheat that because it's pulling, or once we do the cut?
Once you do the cut, then you start heat it up a little bit more and lay it in.
Okay.
Look how beautiful it looks. Just the fact that we have a one-of-one Durango. This is our jailbreak version. Jailbreak it ourselves. And not without paying anybody.